In a world where luxury often shouts, this home whispers. Inspired by the serene mastery of Malahide's timeless gardens, this residence blends nature and architecture with rare precision. Every corner evokes stillness, every material breathes sophistication. Step inside, and discover how tranquility, when designed with intention, becomes the highest form of elegance.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The facade sets the tone, limestone warmed by soft sunlight, timber panels flowing like natural extensions of the garden, and glass walls reflecting curated greenery. A narrow water rill guides guests along a stone path, its gentle sound shaping the first impression, calm, deliberate, deeply refined. This is an entrance that doesn't merely welcome, it composes a mood, wrapping you in stillness before you even cross the threshold. Inside, the living room unfolds as a sanctuary of openness. Floor-to-ceiling glass brings the gardens inward, while oak floors and moss-green textures ground the space in earthy softness. A sculpted water bowl sits near the seating area, catching light in liquid glimmers. Shadows stretch gently across stone accents, merging architecture with nature's choreography. This room is not furnished, it is curated for calm. The master bedroom elevates rest into an art form. A limestone headwall anchors the room with quiet strength, while hanging plants soften the geometry with cascading greens. Morning light enters like a whisper, filtered through sheer drapery that mimics garden mist. A miniature water feature murmurs in the corner, controlling ambience with fluid serenity. Everything here invites exhale, silence, and renewal. The kitchen redefines functional elegance. Oak cabinetry blends seamlessly into stone counters, forming a space where craftsmanship meets clarity. A skylight draws natural light downward, creating sharp contrasts that energize the room without disturbing its tranquility. Fresh herbs grow in a dedicated window bed, infusing scent and softness into the modern structure. Here, cooking becomes ritual rather than routine. The mezzanine floats above the living room like a quiet observatory. Glass railings maintain uninterrupted sightlines to the gardens, while a circular window, echoing castle heritage, frames nature as living artwork. Indoor vines drape subtly downward, stitching the upper and lower levels with green continuity. Light shifts throughout the day, painting the surfaces with dynamic calm. The bathroom offers a spa-like immersion in elemental simplicity. Limestone walls cradle a freestanding tub positioned beside a full-height window looking into a secluded Zen garden. Ferns and moss soften the space, while an outdoor pond mirrors soft daylight back into the interior. Steam curls through the air, blurring the boundary between architecture and nature. The front yard expands the home's symphony of order and softness. Lavender rows line the stone path, their fragrance weaving through the air. Hedges sculpt the space with precise geometry, while grasses sway with gentle irregularity. The water rill seen at the entrance flows gracefully along the garden edge, linking each section with sound and movement. The rooftop is a quiet retreat floating above the world. Elevated planters brim with ferns and flowering courtyard species, echoing Malahide's botanical heritage. A shallow reflecting pool interrupts the wooden deck, capturing drifted clouds and warm evening hues. Soft lighting settles over the space, inviting reflection, conversation, or silence. The working room balances productivity with serenity. A panoramic view of lush gardens removes the sense of enclosure, while oak furniture and stone detailing provide visual grounding. A tabletop water feature adds rhythmic calm, and indoor greenery enhances oxygen and inspiration. Here, work is not pressured, it flows, shaped by stillness and natural harmony. The backyard becomes the home's outdoor heart. A wide lawn stretches toward curated flower beds and a shallow pond reminiscent of historic garden design. The pergola hosts winding vines, casting dappled shade over wooden seating. Water murmurs softly, blending with birdsong and the rustle of tall grasses. This is tranquility designed with intention and depth. This residence proves that true luxury is not loud, it is intentional. Every stone, plant, and pathway carries the wisdom of centuries while embracing the clarity of modern design. It is a home crafted not just to be seen, but to be felt. A place where serenity becomes a lifestyle, and elegance finds its quietest, most powerful voice.